So 2 years ago, as we made the decision to invest over $500 million, we realized we were in the middle of a revolution.
We are updating all aspects of the ship, make the ships feel fresh and relevant and more contemporary.
The Celebrity Revolution is really all about improving the guest experience and doing new things for our guests. We could not be more excited at Celebrity Cruises than to announce two amazing partnerships with American Ballet Theatre and Daniel Boulud.
American Ballet Theatre and Celebrity both represent the highest level of excellence.
Guests will not only have the opportunity to witness some of the best dancers in the world, but they'll have an opportunity to interact with them.
We are able to teach our guests beginner basic ballet classes, children's ballet classes.
Guests on Celebrity ships will be able to see some of the most classic pas de deux from ballets like Swan Lake, and they will also be able to see works by some of our amazing creative talents.
American Ballet Theatre holds a very similar set of values as does Celebrity, in that it is wanting to provide an experience that will live in your memory as a special moment in your life.
I'm really excited about partnering with Daniel Boulud. He's going to be our culinary brand ambassador for the Celebrity Cruises fleet.
I think the excitement is to be able to bring my knowledge, bring the diversity of the cuisine I have with my restaurants.
We're going to feature a limited menu in Lumine, a 3-course menu. We're also going to be launching a chef's table fleet-wide, which is going to be a 5-course Daniel Boulud tasting menu paired with wines.
I am excited to be part of such an adventure. I think, Celebrity, it's about adventure.
The revolution for us is about evolution. So it's super important that we evolve and change and adapt and really lead the way.